We are here with Jason Radimer from Sennheiser. Jason, welcome to Verrex Fall Tech Fest 2023.
Thanks, Bill. It's great to be here. I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what we have on the table from our BizCom product lineup. Starting at the top, we have our TCCM ceiling mic. We launched this at ISE back in January, which is our smaller version of kind of our flagship TCC2. It's been around for a long time now. This is about half the coverage area. Some cool features to this. One is you can daisy chain 3 of these on one PoE plus port. Half the capsules, we can flush mount this, we can surface mount it, we can suspend it. If you flush mount it, pretty much all you see is that bezel on the edge. You can also paint this, so another unique feature to TCCM. Next we have our TC bar, kind of hiding in the back there. First bar in the market with Dante built into it. So that allows us now, those rooms that need some more mic coverage at the back of the room, what we can do is take a TCCM ceiling mic, Dante, Cat 5 right into the back of the bar. A lot of flexibility that way too. If we need 2 wireless mics, we can take a 2-channel Dante receiver, plug it right into the bar, and now get wireless mics connected right to the bar. So quite a ton of features built into that bar. We spent 2.5 years making that, so we didn't kind of rush this to the market because everybody seems to have a bar now. But we spent a lot of time in R&D into researching that bar. Next up is our Mobile Connect. Mobile Connect is our assistive listening, streaming audio over Wi-Fi to mobile devices. So what that allows us to do is that allows us to, through an app on a mobile device, we can scan a QR code and then choose a room that we want to listen to. And then if you choose listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, I can right from the audio stream of that room, I can stream that through the Wi-Fi to a mobile device. A couple features in the app itself is if I drag this blue circle around, this actually changes the tone of the audio. So this is the biggest feature for those that are hearing impaired. If bass makes it hard for you to hear, you can actually take the bass out and kind of adjust that and EQ it for your own personal stream.
Interesting.
And then another feature we just added in at Infocom is our audience mic. So if I choose talk and I'll step away, this actually adds a talkback mic right through the app as well. So right through the Mobile Connect app, you can ask a question and get a push-to-talk mic right through the app itself. Going a little bit further down the line, we have our DECT base Speechline digital wireless. So this allows us to do up to 8 channels in a room with an access point style receiver, 4 channels on each receiver, body packs, handhelds, boundary, and table stand. These both support wireless charging. So if you can build wireless Qi charging into a table or podium, you can charge those wirelessly. You can put your phone on the charger too. And this is our MKE Mini. This was a request, a lot from higher ed, where you have someone that's wearing a dress, they don't want to mic up with a lav mic. It's kind of a stubby version of our MKE lav mic, right on a body pack. So now someone can just wear a body pack around their neck. So it ships with this little adapter to kind of stick it out a little bit with a short version of our MKE. And then last but not least is our EWDX UHF wireless. These are 2-channel, half RU receivers on the bottom. We will have a Dante version of those shipping next month in November. Cool features to these: PoE powered receivers. Eliminates all of your AC wiring in your rack. Put a PoE switch in there, PoE power these, now you can manage those over your network. Cool features to our transmitters are we're using a persistent e-ink display. So if you take the battery out, you power it down, the display still stays active. So you can now name those channels, and that name will stay whether there's a battery in or out of that or it's powered down. And we're also doing some networked charging now as well. So we now have a two-bay charger, which is modular. So you can connect up to 5 of these chargers together to manage up to 10 mics with one power supply, and then manage them with one Cat 5. And we're also doing infrared at Sennheiser. Ship has sailed. We're not using infrared for anything anymore, and we're using a Bluetooth low energy link. So all of our pairing, there's no more infrared pairing. It's all done over a BLE link between the two. Firmware updates are done over BLE link. And the biggest feature to our EWDX wireless is our channel counts. So we're using what's called equidistant spacing, where we space those channels right next to each other. And with our EWDX, we can do 146 channels per range in our standard mode, and in our link density mode, which is just a 5 to 10% reduction in range, we can do 293 channels, and there's 2 ranges to choose from. So incredible channel counts on that. We will have a table stand UHF version of our DX shipping early next year as well, so keep an eye out for that, also with wireless charging. And to take it all together is our control cockpit software. That's kind of our secret sauce, but that's what we use to manage all the products that you see on the table. It's free, it's robust, very feature rich, and that's what you use to set up and manage everything Sennheiser.
Cool. Jason, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Bill.